I'm gonna show you how to easily connect your Zoho mail to Shopify. So to get started, you have to open first your Zoho mail because we needed that reference for later. Then after that, you have to go to your Shopify store. From there, you have to go to admin.shopify.com and then go to your homepage. Then once you're on the homepage, you just have to go to the lower left corner and then click on settings. And then once you're on settings, you have to scroll down and locate notifications. And then from notifications, you just have to change your sender email with your Zoho mail account. So from here, you have to go to Zoho mail, and then from here, just have to copy your account, which is this one. You have to copy this and then paste it in the sender email. So you have to go back to Shopify and then paste it. And then after that, you have to go to the upper pane right here and then click on save. And then once you clicked on save, Shopify will email it on your Zoho mail. So you have to go back to your Zoho mail. So from here, we just have to wait for the Shopify to email. And then from here, you just have to open the email and then click on verify your email address. And after that, you're done. So that's how to easily connect your Zoho mail to Shopify.